Hey guys, my name is Rahim and today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Apple Pencil Generation 1. So let's just open the box. Just open the box here. So the box itself is pretty straightforward. It just has, the pencil. It's clean, it's sleek. It's what you would expect from Apple. And now you have what's inside. So designed by Apple in California. And this is just basically the paperwork, stuff like that. And then inside you also have the extra tip. So if let's say you lose it or you need to just replace it for some reason, you have an extra tip right here. And then you do have actually an adapter. So this adapter, instead of using your iPad, let's say, to charge the pencil, you could use like a regular lightning cable, like as you would to charge your phone, iPad, AirPods, stuff like that. So yeah, and then we have the pencil itself. So yeah, the pencil, it's nice, it's sleek, and it actually has a cap, so you could so like if you want to charge it using the iPad or the adapter that I just showed, that's where you charge it from. The cap, you just open up the cap. That's where it is, and then you have the tip, which it's firm, it's hard. I like it. It feels like a regular pencil, and then you just round, and it's a nice finish. I like it. It's glossy, and I just hope it doesn't slip out of my hands when I'm drawing or something. And so what really makes this pencil like the what really makes this stylus one of the best styluses that you could get in the market is it's like how natural it really feels. So basically, like, it has pressure sensitivity and rotation detection, which makes it kind of feel natural and makes it feel like a regular pencil. And then it also has palm rejection, so you don't have to hold your hand up as you're drawing. And then it has pretty low latency for a stylus, and even on a 60 hertz screen, it's like, it's obviously noticeable, but it's still like, I mean, yeah. And then so these tips right here, you can get, like, let's say you lose this one and the extra one right here, you could get a pack of 4 on the Apple website for $19. And so yeah, and now let's just see how the pencil performs. So let's try it on this iPad right here. This is the iPad Air Generation 3. So actually, first I'll have to show the pairing process. So the pairing process is pretty easy. All you gotta really do is just plug it into your iPad. And hopefully, let's try that again. Oh, yep. So see, Bluetooth pairing request, Apple Pencil. It says Apple Pencil, would you like to pair with your iPad? And all you do is just press pair. And then the Apple Pencil is connected. So now that it's ready and connected, I could actually show you how it looks and feels. So this is the palm rejection that I was talking about, and you could see the low latency. Even though this is a 60 hertz panel, it's smooth. So if you're like an artist, or if you photo edit on your iPad, the Apple Pencil will come in handy for those, like, tiny things that you could really only do on a stylus. For those like tiny adjustments, let's say like photo editing or something like that. And then obviously if you're an artist, because it's it's a tablet and you got a pencil, so it can make it feel like paper and stuff. And then the palm projection technology is actually really good. See, it's not registering my palm because it knows that, like, that's my palm, and then this is the pencil. So that's what I really like. And then you could see the pressure sensitivity. So like, watch. So as I'm pressing harder, it gets, like a regular pencil, and then I'm pressing lighter, and then harder again, and lighter, and then harder again. So yeah, that's really the demonstration. And then, yeah, so if you do something that's like, in something creative or something like artist, or even video editing, you could use the Apple Pencil. And then, yeah, so that's really it. And thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.